Hey guys, welcome back! Today we've got something really special. These mini tractors and diggers are about to turn this dirt into an amazing miniature construction site. Stick with me till the very end, because what we build from the flood, to the sandbags, to the final road is going to blow your mind. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Let's get started. And one more thing, once you see the final result, let us know in the comments what you think of our creativity. If you enjoy it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It really means a lot and helps us keep making these for you.